Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about the latest CBSE updates regarding what happened. Was there any cheating in term 1 examinations? What can we students demand for it and what can CBSE do to overcome the cheating situation? Secondly, what are the tips and tricks for preparation of term 2 and what would be the new pattern of term 2 which CBSE officials have been told and are saying, and many media houses are also telling. So let's talk about all the latest updates regarding CBSE. So let's begin with the first one, that is, was there mass cheating in the term 1 board examinations? There have been many news reports that say that students are demanding for cancelled term 1 examinations, which I don't think is possible and which should not be done, as many students had studied day in and day out for this examination. So they should not cancel the term 1 examinations. But what are the allegations which students are putting about school associate putting that malpractices in the board exam correction? So let's see to the whole article. You can get the link of the article in the description box below. So there has been a demand of students to cancel the term 1 examinations of CBSE. So what this article tells us is that there have been various controversies about the last minute changes in the exam pattern in the CBSE term 1 examination. So let's see to it in detail. So the first one is wrongful exam framework. First of all, I also think that CBSE permitted the same school center for the board examination. That center should be other school, not their same school, because it was the case that many teachers were helping the students of their own school to score high, which is not a good thing. And also the students whose examination was in other schools, not their home school, it was problem for them because they were not getting any concession like that. So it was a discrimination for students who were giving examination in a different school. So that's a problem we need to understand. The second is there have been various reports about the paper leak and manipulation of answer key by the teachers. Were normally getting downloaded between 9:45 to 10 a.m. 1 hour before examination. The question papers were leaked to students instantly through WhatsApp or LAN network or hard copy print, wherein the students were asked to wait in a private hall and entire answers were briefed comfortably to score very high marks. So this has been happened in schools across India, in many schools, and there have been various reports about it which you can read in the news. So it further says that schools have asked the students to write C in last answer box in case if they are not sure the answer. So if they write C, the invigilators can change the C to either A or B or D, whichever is the right answer. It was after this that the board had sent a new circulation. CBSE had found this flaw, and since they had sent the new circulation that every student would be writing the options in capital letters in answer box. So it was a step which was very late taken. So it was also error by CBSE. Second is OMR sheets were manipulated, means empty boxes lastly for writing the correct answer in the OMR sheet has been exploited ruthlessly. CBSE schools also took advantage of one invigilator from the same school, saying that the correction of OMR sheet by CBSE school themselves has motivated many schools to post the marks that they pleased. They manipulated the CBSE term 1 exam results and they had around 5 hours to update their scores. So as they had very long time to update scores, many teachers were changing the answer keys of students and telling them not to mark the column of unattempted sections, so that if any error was there, teachers should change the answer key. There were also technical glitches. Question papers were sent to school through emails with encrypting and decrypting password to Shiksha mail ID, and the operational codes were sent to the school through WhatsApp. There was gross inconsistency in terms of the times at which the passwords and codes were sent. resulted in inadequate time for printing the question paper. Change the examination time depending on the time at which the password was communicated to the school by the CBSE. So in this, what happened that several schools faced logistics to issues, and they had to hire additional printers because they were not having proper time to print the question paper. And for that, the test were delayed. The test was starting from 11:30, or it was beginning from 12 p.m. inside the exam hall. So the shading of OMR sheet were also evaluated manually without the aid of any optical reader. The very purpose of using OMR sheet was lost because manual correction gave ample score for manipulating the actual CBSE results. So the main purpose of the OMR sheet was that it would be corrected by machines, which didn't happen. As for manual checking, there has been various error by teacher. There has been manipulation by many teachers in various schools, which we can see. So these are the few problems of students regarding the term 1 examinations. So now, as we have seen all the problems which has occurred in the term 1 examinations, so what are the solutions which can do? First of all, we as students should demand for reducing the weightage of term 1 examinations, so that they can count only 25 to 30% weightage. Weightage of term 1 examination should be reduced if they find that there has been mass cheating, and there are various methods which they can use to find out that. So they can use them to say if the mass cheating has been done, so they can reduce the weightage of term 1 examinations. Second thing which I think should be done is proper explanations should be given for questions which were having 2 or more correct answers, especially in subjects like English, where students have lots of confusion among various options in the passage in class 12th examination and 10th examinations. So they should give proper explanation to all those questions. And third, they should clarify and publish the updated answer keys. As we have seen earlier, there has been various changes in the, as we have seen, the official answer keys also available, where many answers are incorrect. So have they updated the answer keys, or what changes are they going to do? They should clarify all the details regarding incorrect answer key, as there was same day checking on days of examination before 16th of December. So what is their clarification for all those examinations? They should clarify it properly to students and publish the updated answer keys. It is very important because many students are under pressure, as their term 1 examinations have not been as good as they had thought. So CBSE should definitely do it. So with that, we come to an end of our first part. Thank you all for watching. We would be soon uploading the second part, where we'll be talking about how to prepare for term 2 examinations. So thanks for watching.